Journaling your trades can make or break your trading journey. And if you want to speed up your learning curve, then this is the only video you're ever going to need. You don't want to miss it. Now, journaling is the process of reviewing your trades every time you've taken a trade. This slowly builds up, and soon you'll have 100, 200, 300 trades to look over and to analyze. So how can you journal your trades in a less boring and easy manner? But not to worry, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, so stay tuned. We'll go through that in just 1 second. But since it's a day in the life, let's take you through the day.
Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day.
Now that you've mastered the basics of journaling, I'm going to show you exactly what you're here for, which is Notion, and how you can journal your trades. And right now I'm going to show you how I'm journaling my trades, and hopefully that'll give you some value and you can make your own trading journal. Make sure to watch this whole thing because there's so much you can do for your trade journal that's going to improve your results in the long run. First thing I would do on my trade journal is the trade number. Now this is the trade number, and all I do is add like trade 1. I open this up, I can add pictures of my trades, right? The high time frames, the daily, the 4 hour, the 15-minute, medium time frames, and then my entry. Why did I enter? The next thing that comes up is the pair. I only have euro dollar because that's the pair I trade, as you can see there. Next, what comes up is the position. Long, buys, shorts, sells. So pretty self-explanatory. If you're selling, I would put short. If you're buying, you would put long. Now this is a really big one, guys. Open. I can put the exact date I took this trade and the exact time I took this trade with this include time feature. Off the bat, you might be thinking, why would you need to record the time? Once you have 100, 200, 300 trades, you'll be able to see the times you've taken those trades, the times you've taken losses, the times you've taken wins. And hear this, out of 10 of my wins, 9 of them were taken before 11 a.m. If I didn't journal the times I took the trades, I would have never known that, and I would keep taking low probability trades. Next, we have the day. Now, I don't need to explain this. Now, session. What session do you guys trade? This will be unique to you. Maybe you trade New York, but this is a section to add that. London, New York, whatever you do. Entry models will depend on your strategy. I have entry model ABC, but I'm pretty sure you guys don't know what that is. Make sure to like this video so it can reach people just like you who are wanting to learn how to journal. Now next we go for stop loss sizes. Just add how many pips your stop loss was. Then have things such as the zone I trade from. Why am I trading from this zone? Why am I trading from this particular area? Then we go into upon entry. Now on the M15, the 15-minute time frame, and the lower time frames when I'm actually entering, how did the price come into it? Did it come in impulsive or correct? Pretty standard M1 entry, the kind of criteria I'm looking for. That's going to depend on your trading style, so don't use mine. Trends, so was it pro daily, pro 4 hour, or counter dailies? Setup is whether it was a high probability setup or a low probability setup. At the end, I'll be able to see how many low probability setups I've taken compared to how many high probability setups I've taken. Then we get into mental state, and this is exactly when the trade is placed. When I'm in a trade, I'll go right here, go to my mental state, select one of these, and then see how I'm improving over time. Then it's pretty much if I've taken the trade or not. If I've taken it, I'll go for that. If I haven't, then I'll leave it blank. Then we go for the result, pretty simple with 5%. If you have any other notes you want to take, maybe you missed a trade, why did you miss it? Any additional comments you want to add to your trade journal? All my socials are linked down in the description below. Contact me on there, feel free, I'm always active. I hope you learned something new, how to journal, and I will see you guys in the next one.